The Glow with Your Hands event is a tremendous opportunity for young people to come out and try on careers in agriculture, advanced manufacturing, skilled trade, and food processing.
I feel like a lot of the people here just want to share their experiences and what they do for a living. I feel like it inspires young kids to learn and know what they want to do when they grow up, because a lot of kids our age don't know, including me. So I feel like it helps. It's just inspiring.
We have 1,250 students and chaperones on campus today. We have over 70 companies with 250 business representatives, and we have 100 volunteers. That's 1,600 people here on the Genesee County Fairgrounds today to learn about rewarding careers in our region and cost-effective pathways into them.
It's honestly been a really cool experience. You get to actually see so many jobs that you don't expect, that you don't get to see outside of high school. You start at a good paying job and you just get free training or all that. It's a cool way just to hop into a good job instead of going through college and going through all that debt and stuff. So yeah, it's a cool experience.
It is an amazing opportunity for students to learn from and appreciate the skilled opportunities in our communities to enter engaging career pathways that lead to a very profitable and rewarding lifestyle.